Hey, how you doing, everybody? I did some intonation on this guitar, and it intonated just fine. Had a broken string that was in the box. It was broken up by the headstock. I put a string on it and intonated it, and raised the pickups just a little bit so you could hear this thing. All right. And if you're a beginner and you ain't got a lot of money and you want to buy a guitar that's halfway decent, get this one. I think it actually plays and sounds better than the Skull one out of the box. So here, we'll give you a listen. This is neck pickup, clean channel. I'm gonna write on down the switch, three-way switch. Here's the middle. And bridge position. Tone knob. Tone all the way down. Tone works pretty good. Let's try the distortion out. Huh, sounds pretty good. Huh. Huh. Wow, pretty impressive for $61. It's unbranded. Got it on Temu. It's got basswood body, maple neck, and rosewood fingerboard, it says. And actually, these tuners, I stretched the crap out of these strings and tuned it a bunch last night, and they're holding tune. Tuned it last night, had it in the case, took it out, and it was actually in tune. So these tuners, they can stay. That's a surprise. And the pickups, not too bad, huh? Pretty good. Not too bad, are they? Yeah, not too bad. So, $61, Temu, the Lightning guitar. Get you one. Great platform to upgrade. That's for sure. So, next time you see this, it's going to be hot rodded. But remember, this is what it sounds like out of the box. So, it's pretty impressive out of the box, you guys. So, check it out. And thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing. And Next time you see this thing, man, it's going to be hot rodded, okay? It's going to look a little different. Some good pickups and stuff in it. But all right, man, God bless everybody. And dig it. All right, God bless. Bye-bye.